Hey, it's Danielle with Four Patriots. Congratulations, my friend. You're about to make one of the smartest decisions of your life today. A choice that could make all the difference in an emergency, not only for you, but for your loved ones too. So I want you to stay put and listen close because I'm about to introduce you to the ultimate survival food kit. Folks in the office call it the granddaddy of survival food. Partly because it's packed with 24 delicious, nutritious recipes. Meals like Grammy's sweet oatmeal, America's finest mac and cheese, Nona's secret spaghetti recipe, and more. All designed to last an amazing 25 years. It's designed to fuel one person for a full year, or 2 people for 6 months, or even 3 people for 4 months. You get the gist. But ultimately, it's because this survival food kit is the absolute largest food kit Four Patriots offers. It's true. Check our website if you don't believe me. But before you do just that, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Because my little birdies at Four Patriots headquarters just told me that we're offering a never-before-seen bonus package on this page, completely free when you claim your 1-year survival food kit. And let me tell you why this is a huge deal. For starters, over the past 2 years, our nation has seen the most unexpected, downright mind-boggling series of events. Between a global pandemic, freak storms, a global supply chain crisis, and the highest demand for survival food we've frankly ever seen, it's been no easy feat keeping our food supply stocked. So the fact that we're offering our biggest and baddest survival food kit, packed with a variety of delicious meals, not just heaps and heaps of white rice, shows our mission to keep you prepared in a crisis really knows no bounds. And then to top it off, we've put together a free gift package that boasts not 1, but 2 of our best-selling specialty food kits. These free kits will round out your survival food stockpile with some serious protein and plant-based nutrition. And of course, they're both designed to last for 25 amazing years. Well, I wasn't kidding when I said you're about to make the smartest decision of your life today with your order of our 1-year survival food kit. Because the sad fact is, in a crisis, food gets snapped up in a heartbeat. Some folks see the chaos in our world and they do one of 2 things. Group A races to the grocery store and starts stockpiling bread and eggs and milk and anything they can get their hands on, unprepared for the fact that these perishable items won't last them in an extended emergency situation. Then there's Group B, who does absolutely nothing. They don't know the value of preparing for a rainy day until, guess what? It's pouring cats and dogs and they finally wake up wet and cold and hungry. But that's not you, because you've found the ultimate solution. And it's right here on this page, just waiting for you to grab it. You're gonna love having the peace of mind knowing you have food at the ready, storable for up to 25 years, and let's not forget, nutritious and delicious too. There's nothing like this kind of security. No matter what, a healthy, hot meal is just minutes away. No finding the line at the store, no recipes to follow, and no fuss. Just heat and simmer and serve. And when you serve that warm bowl of stew or cheesy mac and cheese to your family, even in the midst of a crisis, well, I don't think there's a better feeling in the entire world. You'll feel like a hero with your 1-year food kit in your pantry, closet, or even under your bed. Seriously, thanks to our simple stackable totes, you can stash your stockpile wherever is convenient for you. And then, can you imagine how different it'll feel when things go sideways and that deep breath you take isn't because you're scared? Instead, it's a chance to pop open a tote, cook up one of your 24 delicious recipes, and in about 15 minutes time, drink in the aromas of a hearty breakfast like Grammy's sweet oatmeal or Potatoes O'Brien. Or savor the smells of a real stick-to-your-ribs dinner like rich and creamy fettuccine alfredo or filling home-style chili mac. It's right there, simmering quietly, just waiting to be enjoyed. By choosing our largest survival food kit, the 1-year survival food kit, you'll get 2,752 delicious servings of food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You'll get over 540,000 calories. That's enough food to feed one person for a full year or to share with family and friends for an extended period of time. And like I said, this is not just any food. These are hearty meals and staples you'll be proud to serve. Comfort food to take the nasty sting out of any bad situation. Your mama might not be there to hold you and tell you everything is going to be all right, but with recipes like this, it'll feel like she's wrapping you up in a warm comforter. It's a great feeling. But let me ask you something important. How would you like to get a case of delicious chocolate survival shakes, an all-meat specialty survival food kit, a freeze-dried berry food kit, a mini stove, and even more goodies absolutely free? That's right. Not only will you get over 7 servings a day of delicious survival food, but you'll also get this brand new gift package boasting even more food and more survival gear and a way to grow your own stockpile in your backyard, all completely free with your order. The truth is, there's no telling when a crisis will strike or just how long it will last. If you have a family, you want to protect yourself for the long haul, or you want to get a jump start on a real, robust emergency stockpile, I'd suggest taking advantage of this opportunity before you leave today, especially because you can break up the payments if you prefer to secure your peace of mind now, while making it a little easier on your wallet. And especially because we'll ship everything you see here on this page for free when you claim your 1-year food kit. All the details are on the page below. Don't pass up your chance to get a year's worth of 4 Patriot survival food and one of our biggest free gift packages, all on an easy monthly payment plan. See the page below and get the largest survival food kit we sell. Stay safe, my friend.